Hello guys, today we doing roof rack LC76 Land Cruiser. So this brand is K9 Eezi-awn. Okay, so let's see remove the cover from roof rack. So let's see. But you have to remove in all side to side by cutter, so you don't become a scratch in your roof rack. So let's see. This is roof rack 140 1400 and 220. This is roof rack. Okay, Eezi-awn, this is a brand, and all parts first you can remove like that. Okay, step by step let's see how can fix the roof rack. So see the all videos, so don't be miss any moment, so then you can fix easily. Let's see how we can do this. So you see, and after then we put the Eezi-awn 270s and side 10 project. After we fix this, so is step by step I show you all thing. Let's first see the roof rack. How can you see the kind of the nut bolts? You fix it like that. Okay, all them two like this, and then we stand like this. Yes, this all nut bolts become like 13. Okay, size 13, and must be make sure with visor you put this. So and the materials all them is aluminum, so please don't do high pressurely fix. Okay, so don't be a high pressurely. Now just you fix temporary, like temporary. Yes, and they stand by stand, and like five one side and five one side, like 10 become like this. I just leave like this, and one guy is fix one by one. Okay, but make sure the material is become is aluminum, so please don't be high pressure. Okay, high pressure tight, so then we get a problem, you get a problem, sir. Okay, so please see, and all the becomes 13 size. Yes, that one, and one is the flexible and one of the rich wield. Okay, like this, and as you like, as you must be. Yes, and I make sure any times don't be fix permanently. Now just everything be loose now, and listen to see I show you, because yeah, listen, see this, and just put on top, and Land Cruiser, then you fix it, because you want to measurement where you want exactly the front, rear, side, all things you see, then you fix it. Okay, so first you just leave the temporary nut bolt, just because not gonna remove like this, just a little bit fix, then you put on the top on car, then you fix it tightly. Okay, tightly but not high tightly, uh, almost like this, yeah, like 80%, not 100% like this, because this is not aluminum. That's why you see, now we put on the car, top on the car. Now you take the measurement, the customer required and your requirement. So what you want, the front, rear, side, all them size you check, then you fix. Okay, so make sure you know this, and any doubt you just read the comment on my inbox, sorry, comment box, and see this, and then you fix the side one, and this one side one also you don't do high pressurely. First you check, make sure, and must be you need the one by one by you do, and see the kind of the whole pan become is inside row. Then you fix the bar one of the Allen key nut bolt I show you, but the make sure your bar door will be open all for them, because the stand which become inside the door, so after then you can't remove your open your door. So please open your all doors for now, then all fix, then you close your door. Okay, so you don't have any problem face. That's why I tell you, this is the Toyota Land Cruiser LC76. Okay, 2022 model. Okay, this is Arzi-awn made by South Africa. The country is South Africa. Eezi-awn. This is a very pretty famous brand. Okay, I show you little bit fast, so you know this and see this. Now you can up, down, front, rear. So first you make sure what you want exactly, then you fix all. Okay, and that kind of Allen key is become for the side lock. Okay, this is side lock. Okay, that kind of Allen key. Yes, and you zoom out and you see the fixly. Okay, yes, yeah, this one, for this one, the side lock. Okay, so I think so you understand what you want to say, what I want to say. Please try to understand. I can't tell properly in English. Little bit my English is sometimes is low, and if in Hindi and Urdu and Arabic, I think so I can explain very well. So just this is I want to show. So in English is universal in language. So all those guys he gonna know this one. See, now you closed your door, so then you make sure this is fixed well. Okay, sir, try to understand what I want to say. And any comment, doubt, mail me. I mention in description I have email address, and comment box you can type any problem. I can face to face, maybe I can show you how can fix problem. Now we fix this one, the sidebar, so this one I show you that kind of the become the holder, the kind for side one. Okay, side tent project. Okay, side tent, this one you can see the tent, like tent this one, but this is 270 size. So all car becomes then you fix that kind of stand become. Okay, see the stand first, you see that kind of stand is become. Okay, so let's see. First you fix in the tent. Okay, this one, then put on the car top, and then you fix. All become like 13, only 13. You need like 2-3 S-pana like this. Okay, so it's not big deal, just you see and you can do. And how have the catalog in the all them is become is the with protects. So you can, this the video is just for you have the little bit ideas like this. Okay, and I tell you don't fix pressurely, and you adjust first when you want, and make sure then you fix all them. Okay, see, yes, this is very simple. Okay, not big deal. See this one, sometimes we need flexible S-pana like this. So you can understand. I think so you don't have any doubt. I try to all them with video, and just you try to see video step by step. Don't be fast looking, and then you show how can fix like that. And you think, see, this kind of tools I say flexible, this is the flexible. So this is good for you, because sometime some the little space you can't fix it anything. So this is good for you, that kind of use. So easy become any problem, you can face any problem easily and shortly you can face it. See, now all thing is fixed. Now we open and I show you how can it look like. Okay, and please like my video, and please help me, support me, and then I get a motivation. I make more videos, and I think so you understand very well, sir. Please, any doubt, any misspell any words, so I am very sorry, sir. And that's I want to show you just how can to fix this one. And please subscribe and forward your friend circle and your anything, any community, any your friend circles and anyone, and give my channel link, so he know also that one. And see, already we fixed the kind of car already have. See, we can fix all them. You see in car, yes, shower box, some and everything. See this car, yes, Epic Holland. This is shop in my Kuwait. So you can try contact me and show link. Please subscribe, sir, and they kind of look like, yes, tent bar, side tent bar, Eezi-awn. This is pretty famous brand. You have many brands, but their kind brand is pretty famous, and we sell this brand. Okay, we are the sponsor for this one, so I show you this one. Okay, not my sponsor. I work there, and my boss sponsors this one. Okay, so